Lesson number 5. Bhim learns a lesson. Bhim was the strongest of the five Pandavas. He had broad shoulders and a very well built body. He always carried his mace with him. He wielded it easily and skillfully. He was always ready to help the weak and the poor. Beam had fought many wicked giants and had defeated each one of them. But all these victories had made Bhim very proud. He began to think that there was no one stronger than him. He bullied people when he didn't get his way. One day he was walking through a forest when he came to a narrow path. An old monkey lay across the path. The monkey didn't show any sign of moving even after Bhim came quite close to him. Hey, move aside, ordered Bhim. But the monkey paid no attention to him. Out of my way, you monkey, shouted Bhim. The monkey just turned his back to Bhim. This made Bhim very angry. Till then, nobody had ever disobeyed Bhim. Are you deaf or stupid? Didn't you hear what I said? Out of my way at once. The monkey now turned to face Bhim. But I don't want to move. If you are in a hurry, you can jump over me. Don't tell me what I should do. Just move. Or has what will you do? I'll throw you away. Go ahead, said the monkey with a twinkle in his eye. Bhim decided to teach the monkey a lesson. I'll lift him by his tail and just throw him away. He bent down to pull the monkey's tail. But oh, wonder of wonders! He couldn't move the tail even the slightest bit. It was heavier than 10 maces. Beam looked up and saw a smile spread on the monkey's face. Without another word, he bent down again and pulled harder. The tail had become heavier than before. Perhaps it weighed 100 maces now. Beam pulled with all his might, but the tail just became heavier and heavier. The smile on the monkey's face grew wider and wider. Beam was now sweating all over. He was panting with all the effort. The monkey began to laugh. Bhim couldn't understand what was happening. I can't believe this. It's just an ordinary monkey, and I can't lift even his tail. Have I lost all my strength? I, who could knock down giants with a flick of my fingers. What's the matter with me? The monkey watched Beam with laughing eyes. An ordinary monkey is proving stronger than me. Now I'll never be able to hold my head up. Aloud, Beam said to the monkey, forgive me for my madness. You have shown me that I am not the strongest of all. Pray tell me who you are. The monkey stood up. He was big and powerful. He shone like the sun. It was none other than Mahabali Anuman. He now spoke kindly to Bhim. Don't lose heart. You are indeed very strong, but your strength should not give you a sullen head. Bhim was overjoyed to meet Hanuman in person. With folded hands, he said, I have learned my lesson. Please give me your blessings. Just think of me whenever you need me, and I'll be there with you. You will always be victorious.